Welcome to Sitaram International School. We create confident kids. Hello, dears. Yes, I'm Manta Rosita. I'm going to take max class for you. Yes, I hope in this session is very useful to you and you will be very enjoyable. And let's we see what we are going to discuss about in this session. Okay. Yes, yes. In this session, we are going to discuss about mensuration. Okay, mensuration is nothing but the branch of geometry that deals with the measurements of length, area, or volume, whatever. Okay, we know lots of the shapes like a square, rectangle, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, whatever. But we just know the sides and how many sides, how many corners, like this. Okay, so in this session we are going to know what is the perimeter area, these kind of mensurations. Okay, let us see. See, the lesson objectives are: first one is area and perimeter, the definitions of area and perimeter. Second one is formulas. Then third one is problems using the formulas like area and perimeter. Okay. So see, area and perimeter. First one is area. See the measurements of the space inside a shape. Okay, now I just take one square. Okay, this is a square. What does mean by area? Means, see, the inside space is called a area. Okay, so see, perimeter. Second one is a perimeter. The measurement of the space around a shape is called a perimeter. Again, I just take one square. Here, how can we mention the perimeter? This around this shape is called a perimeter. Okay, not a inside. The area is a inside. See, the word inside is called a area and around is called a perimeter. Okay, so see, in before starting the problems we should have to see the area and perimeter formulas. Okay, so see, in first, area of the square, side into side, then area of the rectangle, that is L into B, then area of the triangle, half into BH, right? Yes, I hope area of the square and rectangle already know these formulas, and again we just see some another formulas. Okay, let us see the formulas for perimeter. See, and here also perimeter of the square 4 into side, and perimeter of the rectangle, that is 2 into L into L plus B. Perimeter of the square and the rectangle formulas already know that. Then third one is perimeter of the equilateral triangle, that is equilateral triangle. How much of side the triangle has? The triangle have 3 sides. Okay, if the 3 sides are same, means that is 2, here is 2, here is 2, means we use this formula. Okay, so 3 into length of a side. Okay, so see next, perimeter of the regular pentagon. Okay, what is pentagon? How many sides? That is 5 sides. Okay, this is called a pentagon. If the pentagon having a same side, means we use this formula. Here is 3, here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3, means we can use this formula. Okay, similarly, perimeter of the regular hexagon, how many sides having a hexagon? That is 6 sides, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yes, that is, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, this is 2, 2, 2. Here the hexagon having the same sides for every sides, we can use this formula, that is 6 into length of a side. Okay, so how many sides? 6 sides. So the length of a side is equal means we have to use this formula. Okay. So see the question number 1. Find the area of the triangle whose B is 4 centimeter and H is 2 centimeter. Okay, the B is mentioned by the breadth. H is mentioned by height. Okay, now I just draw one triangle. A B C. Okay, we just mention some names. Okay, so this is called a height. The height is 2 centimeter and this is called a breadth. Okay, so this is 4 centimeter. So we can use the formula. Area of the triangle is formula is half BH. Okay, so half 1 by 2 into B. The value of B is 4. Then the value of H is 2. So 1 by 2, the 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then 4 centimeter square. How do you know why we mentioned the square? Yes, we use the square only for a area. When we find out the area, at the time we use the square terms. Okay. So see the second one, area of the triangle. Half BH, the B value is 3, then value of H is 2 centimeter. So the 2 will be cancelled. The remaining is 3. So 3 centimeter square. Okay. So see the next question. Question number 2. The area of the triangle is 36 centimeter square. Okay. And the height is 3 centimeter. Find the breadth. Here they gave area of the triangle, that is 36 centimeter square. Okay. So and they give height, the value of height, that is 3 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the value of breadth. Okay, we can use the area of the triangle formula also here. Okay, so see the area of the triangle. What is the formula? The formula is half BH. Okay, so they already gave the value of area of the triangle, that is 36. Then the another side you want to put the formula and the measurements. We don't the half into, we don't know the value of B, and multiplication we just put the value of H. Okay, so see, if the B we just stayed there, and the 36 is also here, and the 2 is here is a divided term. The 2 will be moved on the opposite side using a multiplication term. Okay, so then the 3 is a multiplication term, so 3 will be come to the opposite side using a divided term. Okay, so 36 into 2 divided by 3. So 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So remaining is 12 into 2. So 12 2s are 24 centimeter. Here don't use the square term because we just find out the value of breadth only. Okay, we don't find out the area of the triangle. They already gave the area value. We just find out the breadth value. So see the question number 3. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle whose side is 5 centimeter. Okay, so we know the formula for the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle, we just draw the diagram. Equilateral triangle means the sides are same or not? Yes, the sides are same. That is 5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Okay, so we know the formula for perimeter of the equilateral triangle. That is, so how many sides? The 3 sides, and we just multiply the length of a side, that is 5. So 3 5s are 15. So this is the answer for the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Okay, so see the question number 4. Find the perimeter of the regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 centimeter. Okay, we know the formula for the perimeter of the regular pentagon, right? So what is pentagon? How many sides? There are 5 sides having one pentagon, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We draw the triangle using a closed surface. Okay. So how many sides? 5 sides. In each and every sides, that is the measurement is 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is called a regular pentagon. When the sides are equal, this is called a regular. If the diagram is pentagon, we can use the word of regular pentagon. Okay. So we can use this formula. How many sides? 5. So we just multiply with 5, 3. Okay. So 5 into 3, that is 15 centimeter. Okay. So when we find out the perimeter of the shape, we don't use the square term. When we find out the area of the shape, at the time only we have to use a square term. Okay. So see the question number 5. Find the perimeter of the regular hexagon whose side is 6 centimeter. Hexagon, 6 sides. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Each side is 6. Okay. So we can use the formula for the perimeter of the hexagon. So how many sides? 6 into the length of a side. Okay, the length of the side is, oh sorry, here is a 4 centimeter. Okay, we just okay, here is the 4. See, here is the 4 centimeter. Then the answer will be changed. And if we draw the hexagon, the side is 4. 4, okay, 4 centimeter. Don't forget to write the centimeter, meter for the measurement, okay? Centimeter. So then 6 into 4, 6 fours are 24, okay? So see this next one. Find the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of a square park of side 70 meter. Okay, here Shaina wants to round a square park. The measurement of a square park is 70 meter. I mean the side of a square park is 70 meter. So here she takes 3 rounds of a square park. How many sides? 3 sides of a square park. Okay. See, I just explained by the shapes. Okay, so here this is a square park. Okay, is one side square means we know that the 4 sides are equal. Okay, so this is 70 meter. This is 70 meter. Then this is also 70 meter. This is 70 meter. Okay, this is park. Okay, so Shaina takes 3 rounds. If we want to find out the distance traveled 3 rounds, before we should find out the distance traveled by only 1 round. Okay, so this is already I explained it. If we mention the around, it means what we are going to find out, area and area or perimeter. Yes, perimeter. We don't find out the inside of the shape. We just find out the around us, around it. Okay. So we just find out the perimeter of the square. Okay. So what is the formula for perimeter of the square? That is 4 into side. Okay. So here the side is 70 meter. So the area of the square. So 4 into side value is 70. Then we just multiply the non-zeros term, 4 and 7. 4 7s are 28 and the 0 will become directly. So 280 meter is the perimeter of the square in only one round. So what they ask, the distance traveled by Shaina if she take a 3 rounds of a square park. Okay, so now we are going to find out the 3 rounds of a square park. This is nothing but we just multiply into 3 with the distance traveled for one round. Okay, here 3 rounds. Okay, so we just multiply 3 into 280. We just multiply the non-zeros term. 3 into 28, that is 84. Then the 0 will become indirectly. Okay, so if you want to find out the distance traveled by Shaina, if she take 5 rounds, means we just multiply 5 and 280. Then 10 rounds means we just multiply 10 into 280. Okay, so the answer is 840 meter. The distance traveled by Shaina if she take 3 rounds of a square park is 840 meter. Okay, so see the next one, I mean the 7th question. An athletic takes 10 rounds of a rectangular park 50 meter long and 200 meter wide. Find the total distance covered by him. So here they give a the shape. What is the shape? That is a rectangular park. Okay, see, the rectangular park. Here the long, I mean the length is 50 meter. Okay, this is the 50 meter also, and the wide, that is 25 meter. Here also 25 meter. Okay, so wide, that is L into B. This is L, this is B. Okay, so then we are going to find the total distance covered by him. Here also they ask the total distance. So what we are going to find out? Perimeter or area? Definitely we should find out the perimeter. Okay, so they ask the perimeter. Okay, so they ask distance, so we just find out the perimeter value. Okay, see the length of the rectangular park. What is the length? 50 meter. So then breadth 25 meter. Okay, so now total distance covered by the athlete in one round will be the perimeter of the park. Okay, so see, perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So we just put the value of L and B. 2 into 50 plus 25. If we add 50 and 25 means we will get 75. So if we multiply 2 and 75 means we will get 150 meter. So this is the distance covered by the athletic in one round is 150 meter. So now we just find out 10 rounds. Okay, find the distance covered by the athlete in 10 rounds. 10 rounds means we just multiply 10 and 150. In first we should multiply the non-zeros terms, so that is 1 and 15. So 115 is 15, so there are 2 zeros, so the answer is 1500 meter. Okay, if we want to change into the kilometer means we just divided by 1000, that is 1.5 kilometer. Okay, so see, these questions are reverse activity. First one is find the area of the rectangle whose L is 6 centimeter and B is 9 centimeter. Second one is find the perimeter of equilateral triangle of side is 9 centimeter. Here the rectangle has 2 sides, the perimeter has 3 sides, but here the triangle is equilateral triangle. So here the values are same, that is 9 centimeter. Okay. Third one is find the perimeter of a regular pentagon of the side is 10 centimeter. Then fourth one is find the perimeter of a regular hexagon of the side is 12 centimeter. Then fifth one is find the area of the triangle whose breadth is 13 meter and height is 15 meter height. Sixth one is a farmer has a rectangular field of length and breadth 240 meter and 180 meter respectively. Then he wants to fence it with 3 rounds of rope. So what is the total length of rope he must use? I hope definitely you should understand this sixth question, which we are going to find out the area or perimeter. If we want to put the fence, means where we want to put it, you just know about it. After that only you guess it, which one is we want to find out, that is area or perimeter. Okay, I don't tell this answer, you just guess it clearly. After that you work out it. Okay, in yeah, I hope in this session is very useful to you, and don't forget to write these activities and the sums in your note. So don't forget it. If you have any doubt, please ask me, dears. Thank you.